Computer viruses are a constant danger every time you get connected to the internet. The number of malware created and spread by hackers has reached millions per day, which makes antivirus solutions based on identification samples ineffective and untimely. Over 300,000 computers got infected with WannaCry in just a few hours, while antivirus software had not yet been ready with its identification sample.
The huge profit gained from attacks using ransomware, spyware, etc. has made the creation and distribution of malware a fast-growing industry.
In Vietnam only, computer users in 2019 lost nearly $1 billion United States dollars. The total number of malware-infected computers reached 85.2 million, of which more than 1.8 million experienced data loss and 420,000 were installed with spyware.
Every day, millions of new malware are being released. General antivirus software will be outdistanced in the race because they need to update every identification sample before using it to protect users. We have researched and successfully applied artificial intelligence technology in our software, using deep learning to detect and prevent malware without updating identification samples beforehand.
At BKAV's Malware Research Institute, researchers analyzed hundreds of millions of different virus samples, using deep learning to successfully build the optimal malware detection model with the highest accuracy, while the probability of being false detection is reduced to almost zero. With the successful application of AI, BKAV new generation antivirus software can identify millions of new malware appearing each day, especially file deleting virus, crypto mining malware, bank or password stealer, etc. Suspected files are analyzed in a simulated isolation environment from which BKAV can detect hidden behaviors of files even though the files have not been executed. BKAV's AI scanner technology is then used to score those behaviors, indicating malware with almost absolute accuracy.
Cybersecurity is a high-tech field with antivirus software always requiring the most advanced technologies to give users comprehensive, proactive protection against all risks when participating in the Internet.
BKAV 2020 with artificial intelligence technology detecting virus without identification samples is a breakthrough, opening a new trend in the fight against computer viruses. Their antivirus software can be completely active in preventing even the newest viruses.